Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 1 of July. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so starting off with our bills, electricity is getting as usual $50, and we're actually going to count how much we have in our envelopes this time. So I usually don't count my bills envelope, but we're just gonna count today. And also I do need to run this through the laminator again. It's ripping up all on the sides. So we have 150, 250 in electricity. Okay, next is car insurance, and car insurance is getting $45. So 20, 40, 5. Okay, so I have 50, 70, 90, 110, 30, 50, 70, 90, 210, 15, 20, 25. So we have 225 in my car insurance. Okay guys, on to my cash envelopes. Okay, so here's my cash envelopes. I did switch it out to my purple binder. The reason why I switched it out to my purple binder is because I'm gonna be carrying my book bag this weekend. So I wanted something smaller than my crossbody wallet, so that's why I am using this for this weekend. Okay, so we do have some money left over. Let's see how much money I have. I have $6 left. So you guys already know this 5 is going into my $5 saving jar, and this dollar is going into my kids' piggy bank. Okay, so this is from my crossbody Lux wallet, the Lilac Fantasy, and I do have my ID, my license behind my Apsara card. And this is my coin pouch from my Lux Body cross wallet as well. And I made these laminated envelopes with the DIY sticker kit. Okay, so starting off with groceries. Groceries is getting, as usual, $140. So 120, 40. Okay, next is gas, and gas is getting $100. Next is next is spending, and spending is getting $50. Beauty is getting $10, and I did spend all my money that was in my beauty envelope last week. I think I had $25 in there. Okay, last is giving, and giving is getting $5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so our cash envelopes are stuffed, so let me just actually go through it with you guys again. So we have groceries, that's 140, gas is $100, spending is 50, beauty is $10, and giving is 5. And that's my coin pouch, and yeah, onto my sinking funds. Alright, so on to my kids' savings. Lanesia is getting $25. It's actually Lanesia's birthday next week. My baby's gonna be turning 6 years old. Okay, so she has 5,000, 6,000, 500, 7,000, 1, 200, 50, 300, 50, 70, 95. Indonesia has $7,395. Jaden is also getting $25. $5,000, $6,000, $500, $7,000, $500, $600, $50, $700, $50, $75, $7,775, $777. Okay, next is family time, and family time is getting 20. One, two, 350, 70. So we have 370 in family time. Drip is getting $30. 20, 30. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay guys, onto my emergency fund binder. Alright, so starting off with my cash emergency fund, that is getting $5. Okay, so we have 1,000, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we have $1,030 in my cash emergency fund. Okay, next is my home emergency fund, and that is getting $215. 1, 200, 10, 15. $10,500, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. So you guys, this is 11,000 right here. 11,000, 1, 2, 3, 400, 50, 70, 90, 5, 10, 30, 50, 70, 80, 95, $605. Okay, so we are at $11,605 for our home emergency fund. Next is my car emergency fund, and that is getting $10. We have 1,000, 500, 600, 50, 60, 70, 85. So 1,685. Okay, next is my health emergency fund, and that is getting $10. $5, 600, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So we are at $690 for our health emergency fund. And you guys, I need to buy me some more protein. I'm like very low on my protein powder, and I really do like the Ghost protein powder that I have been using lately. So okay, on to my scratch off challenge. Alright, so for the goals, I'm gonna scratch off, let's just scratch off this last top diamond. So 30 from the gold, and let's do this one. 165 from the diamond. So 165 plus 30 is 195 that we will be stuffing in my home emergency fund next week. All right, onto my pink binder. Okay, so Christmas is getting $20. $100, $200, $300, $20, $40, $60, $75. So 300, was that 65? 75 for Christmas. Okay, next is back to school, and back to school is getting $20. 20, 40, 60, 75. Okay, so $75 for back to school. Lanisha actually starts school next month, the end of next month, and that is just so fast, because when I was in school, we always started school after Labor Day or whatever, and she actually is going back to school before Labor Day, and it's just, that is just too fast. And I feel like I want to spend more time with her before school starts. Okay, next is invest, and invest is getting $20. So we have 20, 40, 60 in invest. Okay, last is gifts, and gifts is getting $200. Gifts is getting $200 because, like I said in the beginning of this video, Lanisha's birthday is this month, and I want to get her a few toys, and we probably go out. If this is not enough money for us when, like, if we go out and stuff, I'm gonna pull out of my family time envelope because it's like over $300 in there, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna be enough. We'll see. All right, so we have 1, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 95. So we have $295 in gifts. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.